Automating daily tasks is not just a convenience, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced tech landscape. Imagine spending an hour sifting through emails, only to realize half of them aren't relevant. Or tackling a to-do list that overwhelms you with its sheer volume. This is where Python and AI come in. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to build a practical automation system that summarizes your emails, prioritizes your tasks, and generates a daily briefing, all in Python. Why should you care? According to a study by McKinsey, over 60% of all occupations involve at least 30% of tasks that can be automated. This means that by automating even a fraction of your daily workload, you can reclaim hours of your time each week. Imagine translating that into increased productivity, perhaps an extra project completed, or simply more time for strategic thinking. Consider this. If you automate just 1 hour of repetitive tasks daily, that's 5 hours a week, or roughly 260 hours a year. That's more than a month of work saved. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that streamlines your daily operations and frees you up for what really matters. Let's dive into the code. We're going to build 3 components: an email summarizer, a task prioritizer, and a daily briefing generator. Ensure you have the required libraries installed. You'll need NLTK, NumPy, and SMTplib. Install them via pip if you haven't done so. Bash pip install NLTK numpy. Step 1. Email summarizer. We'll begin with the email summarizer. For this example, let's assume you have access to your emails through an API or a local file. Here's a basic function that summarizes text. Python import NLTK from nlt.tokenize, import sent tokenize nltk.download punct, def summarize email body, sentences equals sent tokenize, email body, summary equals sentences. Simple summary, first 2 sentences with summary. Step 2, prioritizer. Next, we'll create a task prioritizer. This function will rank tasks based on their urgency and importance. Python def prioritize tasks, example task format, task description, urgency 2, importance 5. Sorted tasks equals sorted tasks, key equals lambda x urgency, excellent, reverse true, return sorted tasks. Step 3, daily briefing generator. Finally, let's create a daily briefing generator that compiles your email summaries and prioritized tasks. Python def generate daily briefing emails tasks. Briefing equals daily briefing emails n. For email and emails, briefing plus equals summarize email plus n. Briefing equals n tasks. Prioritize tasks, prioritize tasks. For task and prioritize tasks, briefing equals f task. Urgency, task urgency. Importance to return briefing. Our step 4, putting it all together. Now let's tie everything into a single workflow. Here's how you can execute this system. Python if name equal main. Example email bodies and tasks. Emails equals email 1 body goes here, email 2 body goes here. Task equal task, finish report, urgency 3, importance, task, call the client, urgency 2, importance 4. Briefing equals generate daily briefing, emails, tasks. Print briefing. What does it look like when it works? When you run the script, you'll see a neatly formatted daily briefing printed to your console. The email summaries will provide a quick overview, while tasks will be sorted to help you tackle the most important items first. You'll save time on decision-making and focus on execution. If you found this automation system useful, consider subscribing. I built myself using these patterns, and I'm here to help you leverage AI and Python for real-world applications. Hit that subscribe button, and let's automate more of your daily tasks together. Thank you for watching.